After you've completed your intake meeting with your assigned Student Disability Services counselor, you will be able to request your accommodations through your secure AIM profile. To access your AIM profile, visit the SDS website at depts.tdu.edu/SDS. Navigate to the Quick Links section and select the second link entitled Request LOAs and Manage Accommodation. Choose the sign-in option available on the next screen and log in by entering your eRater username and password. Your dashboard will show an overview of accommodation requests for the current semester, your academic counselor's name and information, as well as important messages on your to-do list. In order to request accommodations, click the plus button on Accommodation Request Overview or click Request Accommodations on your to-do list if you haven't done so already. Select the drop-down arrow to view more information about this process if needed. Below, you'll see a selection area for your current semester's classes, which is Step 1, Choose Classes. Simply click on the checkbox next to your classes to indicate that you would like to request accommodations for that specific course. Select Continue to Next Step to customize your accommodations, which is Step 2. Non-lecture courses such as labs may appear. Select these checkboxes to confirm that you would like to request accommodations in those sections as well. Click Continue to Next Step to proceed. All courses you selected previously should then appear with specific class details under the drop-down arrow. The accommodations you have previously discussed with your SDS counselor should be listed under each course. Select the accommodations you would like to receive by checking the box next to those specific accommodations. These accommodations may include note-taking or alternative testing, which is extended time and quiet location. Accommodations can be different for each course. Once you've selected your accommodations, select the Statement of Understanding regarding the LOA process, which includes meeting with your professors to discuss accommodation implementation. Finally, click Submit Request. After submitting your accommodation request overview will indicate each of the classes that you have requested accommodations for. This will notify our office that your requests are ready to be reviewed. At first, the status of the LOA request will be marked as processing. Once they've been approved, the AIM system will generate a letter of your chosen accommodations that will be then emailed to the instructor of record. The notification letter status will then indicate approved. Click the drop-down arrow to see the request summary with details regarding when the LOA was last emailed to your instructor. You'll also be able to view a PDF of the letter of accommodation after it has been sent. You have now completed the process to request your classroom accommodations. It is now your responsibility to request a meeting with each instructor for the classes in which you have requested letters of accommodation to verify and implement those accommodations. If you have any questions, please contact your SDS counselor.